Welcome to the Choreography of Tomorrow. In this video, Professionals Lobby explores the future of creativity and intelligence, focusing on the potential of AI and human collaboration. The great AI debate defines our era, presenting two core perspectives. Is AI a threat undermining human capacity, or is it a tool optimizing tasks and elevating the workforce? We are navigating the transition from automation anxiety to collaborative intelligence. The fundamental debate remains: tool or threat? Technology is reshaping how we live, learn, and work at an unprecedented velocity. As AI generates outputs indistinguishable from human work, we are forced to reevaluate creativity, intelligence, and human capability. The drivers of this exponential transformation include technological factors like massive computational power and rapid algorithmic improvement, alongside business drivers such as efficiency and global digital transformation. Deconstructing the intelligence matrix shows the convergence of these drivers. Current AI applications span content generation, data analysis, customer service, healthcare, and education, illustrating AI's wide-ranging impact. Despite AI's capabilities, there remains an irreplaceable human advantage. This includes intention and emotion, ethical judgment, contextual understanding, and the authenticity of lived experience. AI inherently lacks the creative depth of the human soul. We stand at the crossroads of two diverging futures. Path A, passive AI adoption, could lead to skill stagnation and commoditized creativity. Path B, augmented intelligence, fosters human-AI collaboration, focusing human effort on complex, high-level thinking. AI acts as a fluid capability enhancer, offering personalized learning, knowledge accessibility, and efficiency boosting. It also opens new career horizons in fields like AI ethics and human-machine collaboration design. The capability enhancer scales human output through personalized learning, knowledge accessibility, and efficiency boosting. It also creates new career opportunities in vital roles such as AI development and human-machine collaboration design. Navigating AI risks means facing unseen shadows, including skill atrophy, where core human skills decline. We must also address bias and misinformation, economic disruption, and overdependence on low-quality AI outputs. Addressing the shadows of integration requires vigilance against skill atrophy and economic disruption. It is crucial to mitigate bias and misinformation from algorithms and prevent an overdependence on AI output. The UAE context presents a grand stage of integration. With a dedicated 3 billion United Arab Emirates dirhams investment in AI and 30% of UAE companies expected to implement functional AI by 2025, Dubai is choreographing how humans and machines will coexist. The UAE is preparing the stage by transitioning from resource-driven to intelligence-driven. Supported by massive investment, the 2021 National AI Strategy, and the expected creation of over 50,000 new AI-related jobs. To achieve future resilience, we must cultivate critical thinking, teach true AI literacy, and emphasize core human skills. These skills include empathy, ethical judgment, and authentic storytelling, which are essential in the AI era. Redefining intelligence in the future workplace means prioritizing adaptability over rote skills. Success stems from human-AI synergy, demanding relentless lifelong learning in a rapidly evolving market. This is the final harmony. AI expands what humans can do, but preserving our humanity depends on how we choose to shape our future with these powerful tools. Define your AI strategy and join the dance. This involves education reform, corporate training, and lifelong learning. Discuss your custom AI integration strategy with the experts today. For a collaborative symphony, remember to use AI as a tool, enhance rather than replace human effort, and focus on teaching how to think. Discuss your human-AI collaborative strategy with our experts. Architect your future with Professionals Lobby. We offer comprehensive services including AI consulting, business strategy, and education. Contact us via email or visit our headquarters in Dubai, UAE. Connect to the performers. Visit www.professionalslobby.com.
Professionals Lobby, grow, connect, succeed.